نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد.
Did you? إذ أمرتك, when I commanded you, you specifically. And his response was, أنا خير منه, I am better than him. When his reasoning has been mentioned, the word تتكبر was used. In Surah Al-Baqarah, the reason for him not prostrating has not been mentioned. First of all, أبى and واستكبر, he was arrogant. وكان من الكافرين, and he was of the disbelievers. Now, كان can have a number of meanings. If I said, for example, كنت مريضا, I was sick, that's in the past. كان can also be used to indicate a permanent state. For example, when it's mentioned with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, كان الله غفورا رحيما, refers to a permanent state. He was, he is, and will be of the disbelievers. And we know that he's going to be going to hellfire with those who follow him. And we'll talk about kana in another lesson, inshallah, in more detail. There's one point to note about this, and that's nowhere in the Qur'an are these attributes altogether mentioned. Aba, wastakbara, and وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ is only mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah. In other places in the Qur'an, you'll see maybe one of these attributes is mentioned, or two of these attributes are mentioned, but never all three. So in this case, the sin has been magnified for the honoring of Adam alayhi salam. Now, the story in Surah Al-A'raf. Reached this part of the story, and they're quite similar, and there's differences as well. So notice in the beginning of this ayah, the translation is exactly the same. But when he came to it, In the Arabic, it's different. فَلَمَّا جَاءَهَا فَلَمَّا أَتَاهَا. So we have this verb, جاء and أتى, which both mean to come. So the question is, why were different verbs used? قال, this is the third person, not like Surah Al-Baqarah, which was the first person. قال اخرج منها. So it says قال. He said, get out of paradise. And then what happens in the next verse? This is the harf atf. It's a conjunction. وَيَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجِكَ. So it's actually a continuation. قال اخرج وَيَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ. So both of these commands have been joined together by the conjunction, the waw. So you can actually see the difference in the way it's been presented. The command to Iblis is ma'tuf, or has been joined with the command to Adam and Hawa. So that's one point there. Next point. Okay, this is back to Surah Al-Baqarah. So وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجَكَ الْجَنَّةَ